The play guides are one of the things that we love the most about the Play Kit experience, and we hear consistently from parents that they really appreciate this roadmap for their child's development. Because honestly, like, who has time to read all of the science on what's happening with your baby when you're a busy new parent? So we've worked with partners, we've partnered with experts in fields of child development, crossing neuroscience to occupational therapy to Montessori experts, and they've all worked together to distill the information into this booklet. So in the beginning, we have a section that covers what are the gross motor, fine motor, cognitive skills that are emerging at each developmental window that you might not hear about at the pediatrician's office. So we have a section that really helps you tune in to what's happening with your child right now. And then we have a section that goes through the playthings in the box. And so we answer, why do we put this plaything in the box? What skills is my child building when playing? And then it gives you lots of different ideas of how to play that might not have occurred to you right at that moment. So there's lots of different ways to extend with activities and different ideas for how to play. And then we include a section on what we call kind of like best of Pinterest, because who has time to research all these extra activities that you can do with things that you already have in your house. And so we found the very best age-appropriate activities that you can do with your child that are really fun, that have nothing to do with the stuff that we've included, but everything to do with kind of like what you might already have. So we put together this play guide, and a lot of people ask, like, how is this really used? And I have to say that it's been very varied. Some parents will like put it on their nightstand and read it cover to cover right when they get the box. Other parents love to have it handy in the bin where they keep their playthings and pull it out when they're ready to play with their child. And a lot of people say that it's so helpful for everybody in the family to get on the same page. So caregivers and a partner can also read the guide and kind of tune in to knowing what's happening with your child right at this stage.